According to you, what is the importance of a right guru?
So there is a difference between guides and there's a difference between guru. Most of the people that we see around are our guides. They're not the gurus. Guru is a happening. When it happens, you permanently and forever get transformed.
Yeah.
Guides are as good as you're going to Taj Mahal. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. आपको ना हिस्ट्री पता है ना आपको पता है वो पीछे के 2 पिलर इंक्लाइंड क्यों हैं. आपने किसी को हायर किया रिस्पेक्टफुली, आपने कहा मुझे ये समझा दो, उसको आपसे ज्यादा पता है, उसने पैसे लिए, समझाया, एंड आप घर जाइए. अब आप वहीं तो नहीं बैठे रहोगे. और अगर आप रिसर्च कर रहे हो ताजमहल पर, आप उसमें और गहरा उतरना चाहते हो और आपको गाइड के साथ ट्यूनिंग बैठ गया, तो आप 6 महीने लगा लोगे, साल लगा लोगे, बट अब ताजमहल में रहना तो नहीं शुरू कर दोगे.
Correct.
So one has to understand that people who help you evolve and grow can be mentors, can be guides. They're not necessarily
A
guru.
guru.
So choose your people, your things, and your emotion very wisely.
And every platform, every profession comes with a certain benchmark when it comes to ethics. Today, people are predicting everything and anything on social media. As a person who has given so many years to this industry, how do you see that? Like, do you think there should be, any limitations or borders to what people predict on someone's life?
I think it's absolutely incorrect. If you are here and आपके जाते ही आपके कैमरामैन बोले मैडम कब तक रहेगी, तो it's it good if I tell him.
Correct.
If the question is not from the person where the answers belong to him, what you're doing is joke of your profession.
Yeah.
It's incorrect. आप लोगों को समझाने के लिए जरूर बता सकते हो कि देखिए इसका चेहरा ऐसा है तो इससे
Correct.
ऐसे होता है, बिकॉज दैट्स अ रिलेटेबल फेस. आप किसी की लाइफ की प्रिडिक्शंस और ओपन करके बता रहे हो, इट्स नॉट करेक्ट.
I think this was a very important point that
To learn something out of it, you definitely pick up known faces because it's relatable for people.
correct.
But to do predictions for somebody without their permission and openly is an incorrect thing.
And doctor, I would love to know from you, being a signature expert, what is the importance of signature?
If you buy a property and and you gift a property to me, and your family says no, this is not she has done, this is a fake signature, it can be verified if it's your signature or not. Even if you are dead, then also it can be verified.
True.
That means it is outliving you.
Yes.
Secondly, the bank has no idea about who you are. बैंक knows you through your signature. आपका सिग्नेचर गलत होगा तो आपका चेक पास नहीं होगा. आप पीछे अपनी फोटो ही क्यों ना लगा कर दे तो. So your financial positions and your wealth, which is the real wealth, मतलब white का पैसा, can be understood, the journey of it, only through your signatures, because that is what it represents. So signature is vis-a-vis connected to your wealth.